This is the Industrial Intelligence Update, Top 5 Siemens News and Strategic Shifts for March 1st, 2026. Welcome back to the Industrial Intelligence Update. The industrial landscape is evolving faster than ever, and keeping up with the latest technological leaps can be a full-time job in itself. Today, we're doing the heavy lifting for you. We've scanned the latest global news feeds to bring you the top 5 Siemens breakthroughs you actually need to know about. We're focusing strictly on the real-world applications, what these new capabilities mean for automation engineers, and how they will impact the architecture decisions you make on the plant floor today. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, we have a major update in process automation scaling. Siemens has officially partnered with Caphenia to scale the production of sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF. Moving a chemical process from a controlled lab environment to a continuous industrial-scale production facility is one of the hardest challenges in process control. For engineers, this news highlights a growing demand for advanced continuous control methodologies. As the industry pushes for sustainable fuels, automation teams will be tasked with designing highly adaptable process control systems that can handle the volatile scaling phases of new synthetic chemical productions. At number 4, we look at the physical layout of the factory. A recent Siemens partnership has resulted in the UK's first fully customizable autonomous mobile robot, or AMR, manufacturing capability. From an engineering perspective, this is a massive problem solver. Traditionally, when you deploy AMRs, you have to engineer the plant floor around the robot, accommodating standard turning radii and fixed payloads. Fully customizable AMRs mean you can engineer the robot to fit your existing footprint. This allows engineers to solve complex internal logistics and material handling bottlenecks without requiring massive capital expenditures to redesign the factory layout. Moving to story number 3, we have a significant update for hardware developers. Siemens has launched an Agentic Toolkit designed to automate chip verification workflows. Semiconductor verification is notoriously tedious, requiring engineers to hunt down edge case logic faults manually. By introducing Agentic AI, autonomous AI that can navigate workflows and make decisions, Siemens is changing how hardware is tested. For those in hardware design, this means you can offload the brute force testing to AI, freeing up your engineering hours to focus on high-level system architecture and performance optimization. For our second story, we stay in the semiconductor space but move to the manufacturing floor. Siemens and GlobalFoundries have announced a partnership using AI to retool semiconductor manufacturing. When you are dealing with wafer production, traditional statistical process control can sometimes lag behind the speed of modern manufacturing, leading to yield losses. By leveraging AI to retool these processes, they are enabling faster anomaly detection. For automation engineers, this is a clear signal that the future of quality assurance relies on integrating AI-driven predictive models directly into your MES and SCADA layers to catch defects before they cascade down the line. And finally, our top news story is the rapidly evolving frontier of operational technology security. NVIDIA has partnered with Akamai, Forescout, Palo Alto Networks, and Siemens to target real-time OT threat detection. Additionally, Siemens and NVIDIA are expanding their partnership to build out an industrial AI operating system. The IT/OT convergence has been a nightmare for plant security. Engineers are constantly trying to figure out how to pull data from vulnerable legacy PLCs without exposing them to the internet. This partnership aims to use AI-powered cybersecurity to monitor network traffic and detect threats in real time. For the systems architect, this means having the tools to securely bridge the IT/OT gap, enabling advanced data collection without compromising the safety of the physical infrastructure. If you want to stay ahead of the automation curve and keep getting great news like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in to the Industrial Intelligence Update, and we will catch you next time.